See, we were supposed to go to OC, what is it, OC, Southland Cars and Coffee, whatever it's called. We were supposed to go to San Clemente to go to Cars and Coffee, but unfortunately, your boy has to go back to NorCal today, so I was kind of juggling it, and I was like, wouldn't it be worth it to get up at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, drive over there, and then literally sit in 2 hours worth of traffic on the way back, and then literally have to drive 5, 6, 7 hours back up north. Just, it didn't make sense, so we didn't go, obviously. So nice to hop in the Z though, every single time, it never fails. Also, we have no dash lights on this car anymore. Let's go. We gotta go back to NorCal because Moms needs our help, and we all know when Moms needs our help, we drop everything. That's a nice little view right here, to be honest. Alright, so what are we getting into today? So this guy has to smog this car, so we're going to go do that. We're going to park this car right here. There's not really too much going on today, but come along with us and let's see if we run into anything interesting. So that was actually a struggle to do that because about a couple days ago, outside of my phone, a couple days ago we were playing basketball, actually 2 days in a row, but the last day, I think it was like Wednesday or Thursday, we went to play basketball. We played like maybe like 10 games in a row, and when I tell you guys the intensity of the games were at a sky high level, I literally could not walk the next, well, no. We stopped playing, right? And then we sat there for maybe like an hour talking. By the time we got up, we could not walk. The next day was even worse. And I'm still feeling it like in my calves and stuff like that, like they're pretty tight. So trying to park this car up that driveway was a mission, you guys don't know. All right, so we are out here getting Jude's car smog, as you guys can see. And he drove his race car today to work. So he's basically giving us a breakdown, right? So he said it's 52 pounds, right?
Yeah, it's on 52 pounds. Actually, a Facebook memory came up yesterday. We're on 4 years with this motor in there.
4 years.
4 years, yeah.
So like 4 years strong with this, like no issues, no nothing.
We broke the transmission once.
Yeah.
And lifted the head once in the past 4 years.
And it's pushing 980, right?
980.
Has that been doing that for 4 years?
Pounds. For the 4 years, yeah, it's basically been on. I've had that setting.
Jeez.
Usually, I don't even have to touch the boost controller.
Yeah.
Because there's not many fast cars driving around like that on the street. So
yeah.
Kind of gotta just race the bikes nowadays. But
yeah, bro, this is absolutely crazy. So you said it's a 72 millimeter, right?
Yeah, it's a 7275 Gen 1.
You guys can kind of see a little bit. I think you probably have to see it through like the front. That's crazy.
Yeah, we're still on factory Mitsubishi crank. So I'm pretty much limited at that. The motor was basically built for 900, so I just left it at that.
Yeah.
I want to go more, obviously, you know, just...
Wait, so, I mean, I see that you have the tires are wider in the front. Does it hook?
It actually...
Because I know this car's not weighted.
It has a tire and suspension set up from Mulerise up in Santa Ana. So it's corner balanced, and they actually put the suspension on the... on somewhat of a dyno and throw the G-forces at it. But it does hook in second gear. Yeah. 52 pounds, It does. It may get squirrely for like a second, but it'll catch itself right away.
Yeah, because I know there's more to it when like obviously making powers.
Same exact setting. On the 800 setup, it went 6.6 at 116 miles an hour, and pretty much I was door to door with a Tesla Plaid.
Yeah, dang.
But yeah, I just got to air these tires down. I need to get some slicks because my 60 foot is kind of shitty. It's like 1.6, 1.7 with me putting the air all the way down to like 20 pounds, but it needs a slick setup. But for what it is, for the Toyo Proxies, it's just, I get 1.6, 1.7, 60 foots. Hey
man, I mean, the fact that it even hooks though is crazy, because like I said, I know these cars don't weigh that much. It's like less than 3,000, right? It's like 27.
Like with the driver in it, like 31.
31. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy, yo. 900.
I still have full interior, no cage.
That's crazy. I've always admired how simple these cars look on the inside.
Here and there
Imagine, I mean,
husky, but
yeah, that's crazy, yo. Dang, imagine driving this.
I've had the car for 12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
So wait, what year is this?
This is 03.
03.
Yeah. Yeah,
I've always wanted to own I'm not gonna lie, I always wanted to own an Evo. Like it was in the books, but the thing is, like, I know these cars, they're not that cheap when it comes to like modding it, and then like stuff breaks and all that stuff, you guys know. So I don't know, one day maybe, once I have Evo money is what I call it.
Yeah, the exact same way like how I got it 12 years ago, same exact way how I have it now.
How it looks now. Nice.
So right there, that little knob right there.
Oh shoot, wait, so it's so you just like turn it.
Yeah, so go ahead, you could just do like one click.
So what's one click? How many PSI?
Yeah, so it's on 600 map. It's just wastegate, 30 pounds. So every click is pretty much 200 wheel. The boost goes up basically 10-ish pounds. 10 pounds of boost every click.
That's ridiculous, man.
That is insane, yo.
That's crazy.
There's always a bigger fish, man. It's just
you don't
wants to put the money into the car, you know.
Yeah. You don't have time for a ride along, huh? Today.
Well, we probably have to do it like maybe at night or something.
We probably can.
Just even if it's just like.
I just filled up, so I probably can.
Yeah, just like down the, nothing crazy, just like down the street, you know, and back.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh, you can do it right now.
Yo. I need to fill it, bro.
Yeah,
I have to. Let's do it. That's
for the camera.
He said for the camera.
Damn, how embarrassing.
We gotta do safety first. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous just because I don't know what to expect.
I was gonna hit it on the side street right here.
I don't know what to expect, so I'm a little.
Not right here. I was gonna do it on a different street. Yeah. So I give him a good pull. Yeah. They got a fucking nice ass camera. They got everything. They want to feel that standalone. See what's up.
Bro. Yeah, we got to, man. We got to.
All right.
I'm gonna have to hold you for both hands, man.
Go down the street right here, and I'll do like a second and third.
Yo,
I'm gonna try and get a little bit of fourth, man.
talk about a comp magnet. Sheesh.
4-inch titanium side exit. Just chilling.
Sheesh.
Hey, but what's cool though on this car, when you turn off the car, it actually the turbo spins for 50 seconds. I timed it. Ain't nobody get a hard park better than you. Damn.
Alright, listen. Wait, so how much? So the last one was 800 horsepower, 40 psi, right?
Yeah.
What is this one?
950, 980.
980. And that's 52, right? 52. You don't gotta answer it if you don't want to. How much do you think you have inside this build right now?
I would say probably. I've had the car for 12 years. I'm on motor number 4, transmission number 3. I'd say I got at least like, since I had the car for the 12 years, at least 60K.
60K
of bullshit.
You know, what do you think, Jude? I don't think it's that bad considering 900 horsepower.
Yeah, it's not that bad. That's not that bad.
You know, when you think about it, like that's how much it costs to put it in like a different perspective. That's how much it costs to like boost like a Huracan, like a Lamborghini. You know? Yeah. For example.
Yeah. I guess it just depends on what you want. You know
yeah, that's true. That's also true.
And obviously, like for him, this is not his only car, too.
Yeah.
You know? So. Yeah. I mean, and then it's not all at once too. I'm pretty sure like some of that was like, you know.
Yeah.
Like
Gradually.
Yeah, you know, do the turbo kit. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like,
but
there's like levels in a way.
Yeah, that's true.
But
nonetheless, though, it does suck when you break car parts.
Yeah.
At the you know the time of it, of you breaking it, you know, it kind of bums you out. Thank you.
All our cars too, man.
That's dope. Sheesh. All right, man. Yeah, take it easy. Wow. That was crazy, yo.
Lost for words,
Thoughts?
Bro. Lost for words. It felt like it did last time, but honestly, it felt a little bit better because the tire setup.
Yeah.
And, it was stock tires on the other one that I rode in, so it was kind of swirly. This one didn't really feel like that, maybe because of the weight.
Yeah. But, man,
wow.
It's hard to put into words. It was just like.
It is, yeah. It's crazy because like since I was in the passenger seat, since the wastegates were going up, like I could see all the heat and everything, the exhaust.
Yeah, so you got all the experience.
So as soon as you started rolling it, it was like I don't know. It was like a blur almost. You know what I mean? I was like, wait, is my eyes are right? That's sick though. That's
bro. That's crazy, yo. So we gotta have Evo. We need Evo. Wait. I don't know what we doing, man. So all cars get Evo. Wow. Homeboy got the Recaros. I don't know why I've always loved their steering wheel. I don't know why. It's just like a little thing that I've always kind of admired.
Like a race wheel.
Yeah, because exactly.
There's no buttons on it, right?
Exactly. No, yeah, it's simple. I don't think it has. I don't think it has. Could be wrong, but I don't think it has cruise control. I don't see it.
If it does, it would be like the Lexus, right? You know what I mean? How it's like a.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I can't. Yeah, I don't think it has it. The thing is though, bro, like these fools made these cars, like Mitsubishi made these cars a race car and didn't even know it. You know what I mean? Like it's plain simple, nothing crazy going on, you know?
Yeah, I mean by the seats and everything.
Yeah.
The wing, you know?
Yeah.
There's nobody doing it like them besides, you know, maybe Subaru, but
it's crazy. I'm lightweight, still catching my breath.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still like, you know what I mean? I'm kind of worked up.
Yeah.
Bro, that was crazy, yo.
That's sick though.
Wow. And this is where I'm gonna end today's video. We are back at home. We have to go out of town. I still have to pack. That's funny. I always wait till the last minute to do things. But I was driving this car today again, right, guys? And as I was driving it, I'm like, yo, something's not right with this car. Like something is wrong. Like when I punch it, it doesn't hit like it used to. Like it used to throw you back in your seat, but like now it's like, it's almost like it's building boost, right? Like it's like a lag or whatever, right? So I go to look at our max, 19.2. We're supposed to be at 16 or like 15, one of the two. And it's at 19, yo. We're over boosting. So something's wrong. I'm thinking that there might be a hole in our charge pipe. I don't know. We're going out of town. I'm going to have to figure this out when we come back. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe and stay tuned.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.